8 days away from tax day, and the Better Business Bureau is warning consumers about tax scam calls.
West 2's Gail Pascal Brown joins us in studio to tell us about the latest tax-related scam. Gail.
Hey, scammers will stop at nothing to get your information and your money. The Better Business Bureau says in less than a month, it's received at least 116 scam tracker reports. The BBB says the calls, which are similar in language, use the same rapid tax filings, the same name.
Have you received a voicemail like this?
We are calling about your overdue back tax filings.
The Better Business Bureau has from consumers.
We have heard from over 100 consumers who unfortunately have received a voicemail that sounds very threatening. It sounds very ominous.
We have received a notice that your taxes need to be settled before the end of the month. And if you call today, we can help you avoid any wage garnishment.
Holly Sammons is CEO of the Better Business Bureau of Central Florida. She says these are scare tactics with so-called deals to reduce your tax burden or the amount of back taxes you owe.
This is not the IRS. You should understand that the IRS is not going to reach out to you like this. They're certainly not going to apply pressure tactics or offer to cut you deals to reduce your tax burden.
The BBB is warning consumers to be aware.
The most important thing is that you do not, click on links. You do not return phone calls when you receive a message like this. If you have any concerns that there could be any, validity to the message, you should contact the IRS directly.
Go straight to irs.gov.
Taxpayers are responsible for the information that is filed pertaining to their own tax situation. So you want to make sure that you have chosen someone that you can trust.
What about the signs along the roadways posting tax help? Some offer incentives.
I'm not sure that I would make a decision just based on a roadside sign that's offering me, a great refund or a huge refund without doing a lot of homework.
The BBB says if you receive any social media message, voicemail, or text message out of the blue,
trust your gut, don't ignore the red flags, and go straight to the source.
Here's one more thing. The BBB is seeing scammers who are also taking advantage of people who just received a refund or waiting to get one. So please be careful there, too. Back to you all now.